I am Areeba Noor and I belongs to Meerut and I did my graduation from CCS University and I did my senior secondary from CBSE board and I had joined Evision in October and the experience of the Evision is great. Here I learned so many things like Windows administration, networking, CCNA like cyber security. The whole team of the Vision is fantastic and they helped me to get a job and I got a job offer from the MICROLAND and the package is great and I'm thankful for the Evision which gave me the this opportunity and the assistant at Evision was fantastic which made me a real difference from me. Thank you.